actually now, most of the time I shoot with like more like a wide angle lens and a flash, because it's just my style. But my first kind of love for photography was like making more like tight portraits of people, like with a 50mm. We don't have one today, so I'm gonna like take some more with the 35 and some more like close-up portraits, because I like your face and your makeup and like the heads.
Thank you.
Yeah, I mean, I was filming, and while I was filming I was like, damn, actually sometimes you kind of forget what you used to do and also like, because you're kind of like, you know, stuck in some style. I'm gonna take some portraits now. Let's do it. Very precise work, so and you need to be a little bit closer and a little bit more to there. Lean again, it's kind of like this, but not like really. So it's you need to fake lean, Can your hand be more like this, so it's less high? Stay like that, look like there, and that hand you did something more like this, or like this, stay like that. Do something with your hands on your head still, like your hair or something like that, stay like that. Do something with that hand, Now more here. It's again a
window, or?
Yeah, like there. It's again really like tight, like in the bathroom, so I hope this thing is sturdy, but...
We call this thing, how do you call this thing?
A railing, yeah.
Okay, so we call it żegownik, which means puking place, because when you're at the party, this is the best place to, like, you know, throw up.
Ah, okay, I like it. I never threw up though. It's
me
not
neither, but you know, it's useless. Like, this is not a balcony.
So it means that when you're walking inside the city, at any point somebody could puke on you from the balcony?
Well, yeah, I would watch out.
Oh,
good
like
advice,
bring an umbrella.
Apparently in Poland you don't need an umbrella for the rain, but for people not puking on you from the railing of the balcony. Right, so good advice, good advice.
Good life advice.
Stay like that. Change something with the hands. Okay, stay like that. Needs to be more here. Maybe with both hands, something with both hands. Okay, stay like that. This is a fucking ab workout, man. Doing like crunches. Okay, now look up. Yeah, like that is better. Need to sit on a couch or something. So, okay. Yeah, this looks straight. I'll show you for a second. It's kind of cool. The background is cool. So maybe you can also just kind of stand here. First time shooting with a 5D. I'm a 6D guy. Okay, we need to be more here. Yeah, stay like that. Yeah, taking some old style photos. I mean, not old style, but like my previous style.
It's kind of traditional Jona. OG Jona.
OG Jona. But it's funny because I like her look. I mean, I like portraits, but they need to be like, they have to have like something edgy about it, and it's most of the time just like the face of the person, like the look of the person, that makes it a bit more interesting than just like a, hey, this is my school picture portrait, you know what I mean? I've never used this lens for pictures, to be honest. Like I have this 85mm, I use it for video a lot, and I never used it for pictures. Let's just make like a really tight portrait and use the 85 on the Sony camera. Okay, so this is gonna be like super close up. It's like probably only gonna be this. Maybe let's check maybe your side with more saturation. That's most of the time how people look on 1 of 20 pictures. Most of the time I look like this on 19 of 20 pictures, and I have one where I have my eyes open. So yeah, that's like, I don't know, it's a natural gift, I'm born with it. I'm blessed, I know.